In this video, I'll show you how to export an N8N workflow in just a few quick clicks. This is a simple but very useful process if you want to back up your automation, move it to another account, share it with a teammate, or save it for later use. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8N guides. Let's get right into it. First, open N8N and go to the Overview section. This is where you can see your saved workflows listed in one place. Once you're in Overview, click the workflow you want to export. Make sure you select the exact workflow you need because the export will only download the one you open. After the workflow opens, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three dots menu there. Click on those three dots to open the Options menu. From the menu, click Download. As soon as you do that, N8N will download the workflow as a JSON file to your device. That JSON file contains the workflow structure and can be imported later into another N8N instance whenever you need it. And that's it. Your N8N workflow has now been exported successfully. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy N8N tutorials.